Your argument is lacking in all scientific merit. It is well...
Merit. Merit.
Your argument is lacking in all scientific merit. It is well...
Mustard kryptonite, the only way to destroy a rogue Kryptonian hot dog threatening Earth.
Rogue. Rogue.
Kryptonian hot dog threatening Earth.
In the bottle city of Candor, he miniaturizes himself, enters a city where he loses his superpowers. Now, before dinner...
Superpower. Superpower.
Superpowers. Now, before dinner... Superman says sure, works up a sweat, comes back to Earth, his uniform now stained with indestructible...
Stain. Stain.
His uniform now stained with indestructible...
Kandorian Drake, I give up. You can't have a rational argument with this man.
Rational. Rational.
Rational argument with this man.
Come on, it's just a video game, and we suck at it.
Nice motivational speech from the team captain.
Motivational. Motivational.
Nice motivational speech from the team captain.
Actually, he's pretty cool. I mean, not only is he a brilliant scientist, but it turns out he's a black diamond skier.
Skier. Skier.
But it turns out he's a black diamond skier. He's funny, too. He does this hysterical impersonation of Stephen Hawking having phone sex.
Hawk. Hawk.
Of Stephen Hawking having phone sex.
As the winter solstice approached and the plants died, pagans brought evergreen boughs into their homes as an act of sympathetic magic.
Sympathetic. Sympathetic.
Homes as an act of sympathetic magic until it becomes the so-called Christmas tree.
And that, Charlie Brown, is what boredom is all about.
Boredom. Boredom.
And that, Charlie Brown, is what boredom is all about.
You've given me an obligation.
Don't feel bad, Penny. It's a classic rookie mistake.
Rookie. Rookie.
Don't feel bad, Penny. It's a classic rookie mistake.
Yeah, it's just a little motorcycle accident.
My God, how fast were you going?
I don't know. It's all such a blur.
Blur. Blur.
I don't know. It's all such a blur. Lucky for the bike, it landed on my leg.
You mind giving me a hand with Speed Racer?
Racer. Racer.
You mind giving me a hand with Speed Racer?
Together?
Yeah, actually we are.
Yeah, we're examining the radiation levels of photomultiplier tubes for a new dark matter detector.
Detector. Detector.
Tubes for a new dark matter detector.
Leonard, you okay here?
Yeah, I guess.
How about we go see it now? Maybe afterwards we take the bike up the coast.
Afterwards. Afterwards.
Now. Maybe afterwards we take the bike up the coast.
We've got lotions and bath oils and soaps. That's the estrogen hat trick.
Estrogen. Estrogen.
That's the estrogen hat trick.
Let's just go next door and build her a bear.
Yeah. I told you before, bears are terrifying.
Terrify. Terrify.
I told you before, bears are terrifying.
Buff spearmint green tea scented bath oil promotes relaxation.
Well, that presupposes Penny is tense.
She knows you. She's dead.
Tense. Tense.
Stands.
She knows you. She stands.
This one, let's go.
I have insufficient data to
insufficient, insufficient,
I have insufficient data to If I were to give you this gift basket, based on that action alone and no other data, infer and describe the hypothetical relation.
infer, infer,
Infer and describe the hypothetical relation.
I never said that.
Maybe I heard you wrong. A lot of words sound like yoga.
yoga, yoga,
A lot of words sound like yoga.
Smell makes me nauseated.
Do whatever you want.
Thank you. That's very gracious.
gracious, gracious,
Thank you. That's very gracious.
For you, well, newsflash, lady. David Underhill is 10 times smarter than me. You'd have to drive a railroad spike into his
spike, spike,
brain. You'd have to drive a railroad spike into his brain for me to beat him at checkers. Next to him, I'm like one of those sign language gorillas.
gorilla, gorilla,
Next to him, I'm like one of those sign language gorillas. Next to him, I'm like one of those sign language gorillas who knows how to ask for grapes.
grape, grape,
Gorillas who knows how to ask for grapes. Really? Why would you say that?
Because a smart guy takes the nude photos of his wife off his cell phone before he tries to take nude photos.
nude, nude,
Wife off his cell phone before he tries to take nude photos.
I'm sorry. Oh, that's terrible.
And you, if you are so okay with the way things are between us, why are you so jealous?
jealous, jealous,
Why are you so jealous? Eggnog.
Lactose.
It's just rum. It's
rum, rum,
just rum.
I should note, I'm having some digestive distress. So if I excuse myself abruptly, don't be alarmed.
abruptly, abruptly,
So if I excuse myself abruptly, don't be alarmed. To Sheldon, live long and prosper.
prosper, prosper,
Live long and prosper.
Okay, all I'm giving you is the napkin, Sheldon.
napkin, napkin,
Okay, all I'm giving you is the napkin, Sheldon. Here, open it.
Oh, the gift certificate for motorcycle lessons.
motorcycle, motorcycle,
Oh, the gift certificate for motorcycle lessons. Oh, the gift certificate for motorcycle lessons. Very thoughtful.
Yeah.
thoughtful, thoughtful,
Very thoughtful.
Yeah.